2012 Topps UFC Finest. Boy, the Mets fucking suck, huh? First two of the hits.
Three.
Is it? Oh, first three, oh yeah. There it is, first three in every pack, every box.
Tony Ferguson. Eric Koch. Jim Miller. Bill Davis, 2-color.
Matt.
Michael Bisping.
Refractor.
And Uriah Faber. Tim Kennedy. Daniel Cormier.
Fat bastard.
Jim Hedges, refractor. Nick Diaz. Gilbert Melendez. And here comes the autograph. Quentin Jackson. Misha Tate.
Red auto. Nice. Frankie Edgar. Red. Is it red?
Red.
Turn it around. Nope. Finest Threads auto, Frankie Edgar. It's nice.
Clay Guida, number to 88.
Guida Gold.
Joseph Menendez. Red Bulls, Bernie Couture, Finest Moments. Refractor, Uriah Faber.
Refractor.
Refractor. Belcher, Federico Wordham. Mark Hunt. Chang Sun Lung, Jung, refractor. Gilbert Melendez, refractor. Brock Lesnar.
Mon GSP auto. Where are you?
Tito Ortiz. Cain Velasquez. He's in the other box. Forrest Griffin. Charlie Brennan. Oh, there, Renzo Gracie.
Is there Gracie in these?
Yep.
Just go right for the third pack. Go right for the auto.
Antonio Silva. Joe Lawazon on card, first autograph.
How'd you know it was there?
Chad Mendez. Roy Nelson. Robbie Lawler. How do I know what was there?
The Mats first, the second one's the Relic.
Yep. John Jones. Bill Davis.
Gold Vasquez.
Gold Clean Velasquez, number to 88. Roy Nelson. Ross Pearson.
Ross Pearson was on Bisping's Ultimate Fighter, the Ultimate Fighter, right? And now he's back.
Benson Henderson. Frank Mir. Matt. Robbie Lawler. Fractor. Evan Dunham. Antonio Nogueira. Now we get the low numbers. Mark Muniz. Frankie Edgar. Refractor. Suki Nagorno, refractor. Same card again, regular. Chad Mendez. Cain Velasquez. McCall.
Two back-to-back blue bloodlines.
Both number to 188. Daniel Cormier. Same card again.
That makes this last pack.
Pat Barry. Mark Hominick. Mark Hunt. Jimmy Hetz. Michael
That's it.
Bisping.